Hello and welcome to Alphabets Academy online classes. Dear children, we are starting a new series for class 9th and 10th for mathematics. And today's topic is real numbers. Let us move right into a video to see what are real numbers. And we will start real numbers now. And before that, some important definitions you should know regarding numbers. And first is natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the counting numbers. Natural numbers are the counting numbers which start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up till infinity. Means we can write the smallest natural number which is 1, but we cannot write the largest or biggest or greatest natural numbers. In other way, we can say that natural numbers are non-negative counting numbers. Non-negative counting numbers excluding 0. Such group of numbers are called as natural numbers and starts with 1 and goes up till infinity, and it is represented by a capital letter N. Now next number we will study whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are the non-negative counting numbers including 0. Means the smallest whole number or the whole number begins from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up till infinity. So we can say that when 0 is included with the group of natural numbers, the new group of numbers which is formed is called whole numbers, and it is represented by a capital letter W. And the set of whole number can be written as like this. One thing from the above discussion we can conclude that all the natural numbers are whole numbers, all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers are not natural numbers. Next we will move on to integers. What are integers? Integers are all the negative numbers, 0, and all the positive numbers are together called as integers. In other way we can say that the whole numbers along with their negatives are together called as whole numbers. And integers are divided, or we can say that there are negative integers and positive integers. Negative integers means all the negative numbers, positive integers means all the positive numbers, and 0 together are called as integers. The next very important number is rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers. And thirdly, the Q not equal to 0. Then P upon Q is called as rational numbers. Means for a rational number, three things should be there. First one, a number can be written in the form of P upon Q. Second, P and Q must be integers. And thirdly, Q not equal to 0. Then P by Q is called a rational number. For example, 1 by 2, 4 by 3, 5 by 7 or any negative numbers also we can write. 1 is also a rational number, 2 is also a rational number because it can be written 2 upon 1, where 2 and 1 are integers and Q not equal to 0. After all these numbers, we will finally come to what were our real question initially, is real numbers. Now, after all the study of the above numbers, real numbers, rational and irrational numbers, means all the rational numbers we have studied just, and all the irrational numbers means those numbers which are not rational numbers are called as irrational numbers. In other words, a number which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q are called as irrational numbers, and all the rational and irrational numbers together form a real number, and it is represented by capital R. We can represent real number also on a number line. The square root of a real number, the square root of any positive real number exists, and that also can be represented on a number line. The sum and difference of rational and irrational are irrational numbers. The product or division of rational and irrational numbers are irrational numbers. These are the characteristics of rational numbers we should know. The process of visualization of decimal expansion on a number line, successive magnifications, this we will see. And real numbers satisfy the following properties of commutative property, associative property, and distributive property or distributive law. So these were the real numbers, and I hope all of you must have now known what are real numbers. Means real number is a bigger collection of numbers which includes all the rational and irrational numbers. Okay, dear children, hope you must have now understood what are real numbers. If there is any question or query regarding this, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to answer in the next class. Thank you. Keep safe. Keep learning.